Everything we need to heal is within us. Our higher selves knows the stories we hold in our subconscious library, where they are buried in the body, and when we are ready to let them go.
With life alignment tools and procedures, we can quickly tap into the actual underlying root cause of the dis-ease and bring in deep healing and understanding.
We firstly identify what the story is with muscle testing and pendulums. Then we use the life alignment procedure along with vortex cards to help shift the energy blockage and resource a new energy that is required for that specific moment. Vortex cards are potentized magnets placed on particular acupuncture points on the body. The magnets accelerate, amplify, and support the healing process.
We help the client process the emotions that come up with the story, so that the overall feeling at the end of a session is lighter and more conscious of what is going on in their lives, usually equipping them with new tools to support their journey going forward. I love people, and this work has given me the tools to make a real difference in people's lives and allowed me to witness some real beneficial changes in some of their lives. I also use these same tools on myself, adding to my own continued personal growth. I feel immensely grateful to be able to do this type of work. I found it rewarding on many of my life's levels.
I love doing this work. It's such a joy seeing clients having aha moments and listening to their reports of feeling lighter after a session. Of course, dramatic changes could only happen because clients are ready for it, ready to make the necessary shifts. And that's where we come in. We just listen to the body. We as practitioners follow the protocol and press the right buttons. And the person's higher self guides us to work on what is ready to be healed. It is really a magical experience, not only for the client, but after 14 years of practice, I'm still left in awe of the process.
There are different types of life alignment sessions depending on what is required. We do one-on-one balances, relationship alignment, as well as astrological alignment. Distance is also not an issue, as we work with people all over the world through Skype.